Pleasant morning to all. I am Prathyusha. Today I am going to tell you how to attend online classes. For this, you need to install Google Meet app. You can see the Google Meet icon here. A link will be sent to you on WhatsApp. Click on that link. Open it with Google Meet. Click on Ask to join. A request will be sent to your teacher. Your teacher will join you. As soon as you join the meeting, kindly turn off your microphone. Here you can see the red mark indicates that the microphone is turned off. And on the right side you can see the video. Now the video is on. If you want to turn it off, click on that. Now your video is off. When you attend the online class, kindly turn off your microphone and turn on your video so that the teacher can see you. In between the class, if you have any doubts, you can text to the teacher. On the top you can see a text box. Type your doubt there. If the teacher asks you any question and if you want to answer, then turn on your microphone. Rest of the time when the teacher is explaining, kindly turn off your microphone.